Hey everyone! This is Maxbot. If you're looking to grow your trading balance and finally understand how the market actually behaves, I've got something interesting for you, a strategy that combines artificial intelligence with your personal trading logic. Right now I'll open 2 trades and show you how this free trading bot works in real time. You can get permanent access to it through the link in the description. If you find this useful, don't forget to like the video and let's get started. I trade with a trusted and convenient broker. It's Binodex. I recommend this platform with its user-friendly interface and extensive functionality. Pay attention to the bot interface. I start by choosing a currency pair from the list. For this first example, I select the euro and US dollar. Next, you need to open the Binodex broker and prepare the same asset there in advance. We set the expiration time to 1 minute, and for the first trade I'm entering with $600. Everything is set up now. I go into Telegram and press the button for the 1-minute time frame. The neural network begins analyzing the market conditions in real time. After processing, the bot generates a signal suggesting that the price is expected to go down. In other words, the system acts like your trading assistant, helping you decide when it might be a good moment to enter a trade. Now I go to Binodex, review the chart, and execute the trade. I click the red sell button based on the bot's recommendation. From here, we observe how the price develops from the entry point. Accessing this trading neural network is very easy, and currently it is completely free. You just follow the link in the description, open the bot interface, and follow the setup instructions to connect the analysis system. Once connected, you get full access to all AI features and unlimited trading signals every day. If you run into any issues, you can contact our manager who will guide you through registration and verification on Binodex. The manager's contact link is also in the description below the video. This bot demonstrates up to an 85% signal accuracy rate, which can be very useful especially for beginners who are trying to find reliable entry points. However, it's important not to rely on it blindly. Your own trading logic still plays a major role. Technical analysis should not be ignored. You need to develop your own market understanding over time. Meanwhile, my trade has come to an end. Note that thanks to the accurate signal, I made a profit. It's a good start, an excellent trading instrument. I'll open a second trade on the 5-minute time frame. I'm investing $700 in accordance with the money management rules, and I also want to change the currency pair. I'll choose the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Now, let's switch to the Telegram interface, find the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar currency pair, and click the 5-minute button. After analyzing, the trading instrument gives a buy signal, so I go to the market and open a uptrade in accordance with the signal. One of the strongest advantages of this AI system is its ability to analyze news events. As you know, economic and political developments often cause strong market movements. Beginners usually struggle to interpret this information correctly, but the neural network automatically processes news and includes it in its trading signals. In addition, the bot monitors 12 key trading indicators in real time, combining them into predictive algorithms that estimate price direction with high precision. Normally, tools like this are expensive, but right now you have a chance to use it for free and keep it permanently. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. I'd also like to know if you already use artificial intelligence in your trading. Share your experience and results in the comments. And remember, the strongest results always come when you combine your own trading strategy with AI-driven signals. By combining your trading logic with a proven neural network, you double the power of your analysis. And most importantly, you can monitor price movements in real time and compare your trading logic with artificial intelligence. In other words, trading with a neural network is very useful for developing your trading mindset. Let's go to the TradingView terminal now, find the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar currency pair, and try to understand the logic of artificial intelligence. I'll conduct my technical analysis. First, I want to note the key support areas that are pushing the price higher. The price moved lower and reached this low. Then, after a rebound, the price moved higher. Note the price correction and subsequent rebound from the local support area. Buyers have good potential, and I'm confident the price will continue to move higher. So, my trading logic fits into the market analysis from artificial intelligence, so let's watch this video to the end to make sure my thinking is correct. By the way, you can join the VIP chat for free, where a professional trader with over 10 years of experience trades the market daily with his team and provides entry signals. In other words, the trader conducts technical analysis and explains why, from his perspective, a trade is open in a certain direction. To access the VIP chat for free, just write to our manager right now. I'll leave a link to the manager in the description below this video. 2 trading sessions are held daily. Join us, develop your trading logic with the team, and trade profitably. Support and resistance zones in the currency pairs market are not random levels drawn on a chart, but rather areas that form as a result of repeated behavior of market participants. These zones appear where price has previously slowed down, reversed, or consolidated for a period of time, showing that buyers or sellers were actively defending their positions. When many traders remember these price levels and react to them again in the future, the market begins to treat them as important zones rather than simple price points. The formation of support happens when buyers consistently enter the market at a certain area, preventing the price from falling further. At that moment, demand becomes strong enough to absorb selling pressure, creating a temporary balance or even pushing the price upward. Resistance forms in the opposite way, when sellers dominate at a specific price range and repeatedly stop upward movement by increasing supply and taking profits or opening short positions. Over time, these repeated reactions build psychological memory in the market, and traders start to anticipate reactions around the same levels. These zones also form because large market participants, such as banks and funds, often place significant orders in batches rather than all at once. As price moves through liquidity areas, these orders get filled gradually, creating pauses, reversals, or sideways movement. That is why support and resistance often appear as zones rather than precise lines, since execution happens over a range of prices. For beginners, it is important to understand that price does not move in a straight line. It constantly reacts to areas where interest from buyers and sellers has historically been strong. When price approaches support, there is often a higher chance of a bounce or slowdown, while resistance tends to create pressure that can stop or reverse upward movement. However, these levels are not absolute barriers. If enough market pressure builds up, support can break and turn into resistance, and resistance can break and turn into support. Understanding these areas helps a trader read market structure more clearly and avoid random entries. Well, let's sum up this trading session. Thanks to accurate signals from artificial intelligence and technical analysis, even a beginner can get stable results. I repeat once again that the bot can be obtained for free via the link in the description. The tool will remain with you forever. Trade rationally, stick to the trading plan and use the rules of money management. This was Maxbot channel. Bye.